It's 7 p.m., you're headed out to enjoy an evening with friends, and the oh-so-familiar volcano of bloat begins to erupt in your stomach for no apparent reason at all, and you start to freak out because now you have to reach for the Spanx and shove your bloated belly into those evil flesh-colored shorts to avoid appearing to be with child and invoking endless confusion as to why, once again, your body has decided to go on strike, bloating out right when you had planned to wear your favorite dress, enjoy the evening, and finally have some fun. Instead, you shove yourself into the straitjacket for stomachs and deal with a very tight girdle whilst trying to smile and socialize when all you can think about is taking off your pants. If this sounds like you, hit that subscribe button and follow me if you'd like to hear more stories like this. I'm Wendy Frazier, gut specialist and essential oil expert. I'm here to help you shorten your learning curve so you can get a better gut, feel great, have fun doing it, and get back into your favorite jeans that actually fit this morning. Stick around to the end where you'll be able to download my free guide to the best supplements for gut health and bloating, which you are going to want to get your hands on. You're anxious, I get it, we're all anxious. We watch too much news, we read too much gossip, we eat too much crap, we spend too much time on stuff that doesn't matter, and we have far too many digestive issues and anxiety. If this sounds like you, you're in good company. Over 80% of Americans are bloated and constipated, literally full of. So today I'm going to share 3 things that can help digestive issues and anxiety to get better. 1, make and keep commitments to yourself. What, Wendy? Remember when you said you were going to start walking or jogging or getting up in the morning or getting up to at least change the channel? Every time you make a promise to yourself and break it, your self-worth goes down. How about instead of signing up for a half marathon with Betty from the office, you just start with a 15-minute walk every day. Move your body and your gut bacteria and your mental health both get better, which means less anxiety, not to mention the dopamine hit that you get from keeping your word and the exercise itself. Second is to slow down and chew your food when you eat. Sit while you eat. Some of you think that pulling the chair up to the fridge will work, but it won't, Kimberly. You're not fancy because you have a to-do list either that is a mile long and your libido is living proof. It's in the toilet, unlike your regular bowel movements. Sit down, chew your food, and take a load off. Unless you love being in a constant state of anxiety and having the cortisol levels of a teenager asking his crush out in the 7th grade biology while trying to mask his unrelenting body odor. Number 3 is to take a probiotic. The best would be to eat a variety of sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, tempeh, but you and I both know that you're lazy, and every time you buy the smelly old jars of cabbage, they sit in your fridge until 3 months later when you can't figure out what that awful smell is coming from. Certain probiotic strands increase dopamine, reduce cortisol, act as an antidepressant, and regulate your blood sugar. That sounds a whole lot better than the Russian roulette your doctor wants to put you through, not to mention all the side effects. Full disclosure, some people do need antidepressants or anti-anxiety medication, but it's interesting to note that only 50% of patients taking these drugs actually report full relief. There you have it. Digestive issues and anxiety, they go hand in hand, just like my free guide to the best supplements for gut health and bloating in your hot little hands. When you click the link in my description below, that's where you will learn the only probiotic on the market that includes the right strains to help you not only with your digestive issues, but also your anxiety. In the meantime, if you ever want some free entertainment, subpar videos, and a lot of potty talk whilst you attempt to get a better gut, hit the subscribe button and ding that bell so you can follow me. You can also find me on Instagram at Wendy Loves Oils, where I share essential oil tips and fun tutorials. If you're looking for a guide to help you get a better gut and actually enjoy your life while doing it, book a discovery call with me. It's one of my favorite things to help people with. Now go do something fun because you're an anxious mess.